Came to see the president on general issues concerning Nigeria, including our political party, APC, security issues, the achievement and the new year agendas. That's all I can tell you. And the new strategy that we must have party congresses and all that. I can answer that with categorical yes. I've informed the president of my intention, but I've not informed the Nigerians yet. I'm still consulting. And I have no problem consulting, and I've not set a parameter of limitation to the extent of how many people will I consult. You will soon hear all you want to hear is a categorical declaration. You've gotten that truth from me that I've informed the Mr. President of my ambition. And you don't expect more answers than that. You say? That's our business. He's a Democrat. He didn't ask me to stop. He didn't ask me not to attempt and pursue my ambition. It's a lifelong ambition. So, why do I expect him to say more than that? Why do you? You are running a democratic dispensation, and you must adopt the principle and the values and the virtues of democracy. That's it. I don't want to discuss individuals now. I must discuss myself. I have the confidence, the vision, the capacity to build on the foundation of Mr. President and turn Nigeria better. I've done that with commitment and unyielding, in Lagos State. You've seen that experience and the capacity to turn things around, and that is what we are doing. The confusion, the drift of the past in PDP is being corrected, and you can't, take away from that, as we are today. Go back to the data on how many barrels of oil were we producing when we first came in, what it is today. We cannot, even at the time we came in, we did not pay the counterpart fund to start our rail line. Today, you enjoy the comfort of having rail from Lagos to Ibadan. You have the Kaduna, and you have the one for Kano still on the aggressive pipeline. You see excellent infrastructure. I just come from Azare, and I've seen good roads. The carnage of dying on motor vehicles is reducing, except, lack of compliance with a lot of Nigerian drivers and VIOs. Let us think back. Let us be intellectually inquisitive as to the past and the present and what the future holds for Nigeria. You want my manifesto now? Not yet. Not yet. First of all, the National Assembly and the President must be encouraged to review, and they review again. Whatever they come up with electoral amendment is what we must comply with. There's no unlimited elasticity in what we face, because we have to plan and plan well and be able to manage the time effectively. The great roadmap to success is ability of a leader to do what he must do at the right time that it should be done. So that, to me, the electoral amendment point, we will still look at that collectively, and it is our country, it's our democracy. We adopted it, and we will pursue it, rigorously. About the cap of kingmaker, I've never seen the cap of a kingmaker before. Oh, no, that is the truth. And I've never seen where it is written in the rule book anywhere in any country that a kingmaker cannot be a king unless you commit murder. So, whatever is your attribute is your own opinion. Me, I want to pursue my ambition without the title of a kingmaker. You can write your literature and your story based upon your own perception. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Oh. Convention, we are going to have our convention. It is certain that we are going to have it. It is certain. We are going to have it. What? Well, I'm not a spokesperson for the party. And the president is the leader of the party. So, expect convention. Maybe if that's added to your own anxiety or the other party's anxiety, it's good for us. We will get it, and we will get it done properly.
Thank you.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.